Yeah, babies.
I thought you cleaned the coop. Why does it stink so much?
Outside. He needs to throw some grass in there.
Too much shade.
Mm-hmm. That side's not drying.
Sun on it, drying out.
Cut a tree down.
Time for some more tree work.
Send Bradon up.
Get it done.
What do you want me to do?
Cut the trees down.
I need a hacksaw. It's in the shed. Hey, Grandpa cut a small tree down with a hacksaw. That's what we were planning to do the day of the storm. Gonna cut
good plan for a day that's storming.
We're gonna cut 2 trees down, burn it, and get all the branches gone that are in the pile. Grandpa said we might have a bonfire with how many branches we're gonna put in.
My big boy, you're getting so big. Buck, 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 buck. Why don't you just go find some bugs? Lazy. Well,
You call me lazy.
it's not that hard to find bugs.
See?
Aw. I know, your sister's out here, huh?
And the other one, somewhere,
They separated.
they don't like being separated. You stepped on them.
Well, that's kind of what you get for being so tiny. You're kind of supposed to stick with the tiny ones.
They're the only tiny ones.
She's like, let me go. Oh, there's the other one.
Yep. and-
That one's not as big as a baby, though. The other 2 aren't. That's the biggest baby. That's the second biggest
the white
baby.
rooster one is pretty big.
Really?
You can tell it's a white rooster. It's gonna be a rooster.
There, Brayden. Look, you know, if you just like look under all these, find some nice bugs.
Well, you buried all the bugs.
Mm.
There's so much tiny little bug-looking things.
Should've got 100 pounds. Still got crack corn in there? The white bins?
No,
You
we ran out of that
should.
a while ago.
Well,